Thank you, Kirk. And in another fire-related story, investigations are ongoing to determine how an electric vehicle and a house were destroyed by fire in Hope Pastures, St. Andrew. Local authorized dealer for the electric Mini ATL Autobahn has confirmed that there has been no recall of the motor vehicle. Sandy Williams has more.
A raging fire on Whitcomb Drive in Hope Pastures. This is the scene where a house and an electric vehicle were damaged by fire last week. We understand that the owner of the vehicle plugged it in before going to bed. Now she was awakened by a loud explosion which alerted her to the fire. Fortunately, the family is unharmed. Now, the cause of the fire is not yet known as the Jamaica Fire Brigade are still investigating. The total cost of the damage is also unknown. Now, local car dealer ATL Autobahn says there has been no recall or any technical campaign of the Mini Countryman electrical hybrid. In fact, they said this particular vehicle was serviced at its dealership last November. Sandy Williams, TVJ News.